In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy planes in Extreme Landings. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to acquire new planes in Extreme Landings. So I'm going to be talking about the free version that you can download on mobile. So as you can see, I've downloaded Extreme Landings for free from the Play Store, and you will notice that I only have the R344P unlocked. If I try to go over to any other aircraft here, it is going to tell me that it is locked and I need to tap unlock now. If I select unlock now, I'll be able to see the option to buy this airplane. So basically, as it stands today, you need to purchase each of these airplanes. So you can purchase them individually, so the deal is going to appear at the top, or most of the time they will be bundled alongside others. So you will see a bundle that includes a specific plane that you selected. So this one, for example, includes 8 aircrafts, including as well the one that I selected, the RS-138AP. And if you keep scrolling down, you can see other options that might or might not include the one that you selected. So all that you have to do is browse through all of them here, find the specific one that you would like to purchase, tap unlock now, and you will be able to get it. So it is a very direct way to do it. You just tap on buy, and usually you will finish making this purchase through the app store of your choice, so the Play Store on Android, for example. And after you have it unlocked, you will be able to start, do all of the missions, play, and simulate flying with this specific aircraft. It is simple to do, but of course it can get quite expensive depending on how many different aircrafts you would like to try out. After you have it, you can change the setup options, passengers load fuel, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, there is one thing that I would like to highlight. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.